Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Hermes Agent on Proxmox using the Proxmox VE Helper Scripts. For those who don't know, Hermes Agent is a self-improving AI agent by Nous Research. It connects to over 15 LLM providers, can execute terminal commands, browse the web, and support 16 different messaging platforms including Telegram, Discord, and Slack. Their tagline says it all, the agent that grows with you. And the best part? We can get this running on Proxmox in just a few minutes. Let's do it. So we're using the Proxmox VE Helper Scripts to make this installation super easy. I'm going to copy the installation command from the bottom of the page, that's all we need to get started. Alright, I'm in my Proxmox web interface. I'll click on my node, open up the shell, and paste in that installation command. Hit enter and we're off. It asks if we want to create a new Hermes Agent LXC container, yes. Do we want to use default settings? Yes, that's fine for now. For storage, I'll select local LVM and press OK. And now the script does its thing automatically. It's creating the LXC container with ID 108, starting it up, updating the operating system, installing all the dependencies like Python and Node.js, and downloading the Hermes Agent source code. And done. It shows us the container's IP address and reminds us to log in as the Hermes user to run the setup. That was quick. Let me quickly double-check the setup instructions on the helper script page. Alright, now I'll select our new container, 108 Hermes Agent, in the Proxmox sidebar and open the console. First, I'll switch to the Hermes user with su-hermes. Now let's run Hermes setup to start the configuration wizard. It's going to ask us a few things. First, which model provider we want to use. You've got options like OpenAI, Anthropic, and others. I'll enter my API key for my chosen provider, and then configure some system settings for memory and behavior. And that's it, setup is complete. It's telling us to run Hermes start to launch the agent. Let's go. Let's fire it up, Hermes start. And there's the iconic Hermes Agent ASCII art. The console is showing all the initialization logs as it connects to the LLM provider and sets up its internal modules. Give it a moment, and we're live. The agent is active and waiting for commands. Let me test it out, I'll type hi. And it confirms it's ready to execute tasks. We've got Hermes Agent fully running inside a Proxmox LXC container. And that's how easy it is to install Hermes Agent on Proxmox using the helper scripts. In just a few minutes, you've got a powerful, self-improving AI agent running in its own isolated container on your home server. It can connect to multiple LLM providers, execute commands, browse the web, and even integrate with your messaging platforms. Links to the Proxmox Helper Scripts and the Hermes Agent GitHub are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you're using Hermes Agent. See you in the next one.